In today's workout video, I'm going to share with you 6 tools that are absolutely necessary if you want to move from surviving to thriving. Here goes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the early morning grind. You know what we do. Day 133. Step and move, move and step up. I hope you're well rested. Today's upper body strength. In 3, 2, 1, press. Step. Move. So today I'm going to share with you 6 tools that are absolutely necessary for you to have in your toolbox. Well, Coach John got a toolbox. Leg curls. In 3, 2, 1, pull. If you don't got a toolbox, don't worry. I can tell you exactly what you need to put in. First, you go get a little box. And I can tell you exactly what tools you need. In 3, 2, 1, high knees, let's go. Arm circles forward. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One hand across the chest and pull on the elbow. And here's the start reality. The tools that you have in your toolbox, that's exactly what determines how well you succeed or you have to succeed. So this is the one that you want to get. Next hand across your chest. Because contrary to popular belief, the people that are successful, they may wake up with a gold spoon in their mouth. They may wake up and magically poof one day, they all fall together, interlace your fingers in front, you press them straight forward. When I watch those people and I listen to my coaches and mentors, they all have tools. Interlace your fingers behind your back, put your shoulders down, put your chest forward. They have tools in their toolbox. All right. We can dunk in the hole. On the mat, we got push-ups. And if you never do a push-up, you can learn to do a push-up today. The good thing about it is that you ain't gonna do it. You can do it on your knees. You can do the push-ups on your knees. But we combine the 2 exercises. We got push-ups, right? You can do push-ups on your knees, just like this. The closer your knees are to your hands, the easier it is. All right? Easier it is. You gotta start somewhere. If that's where you gotta start. All right, so we have 10 push-ups and we have 10 chest press. So after these 10 push-ups, we're gonna roll over on our backs, grab 2 dumbbells. We can hold the dumbbells close together and push them up in the air. All right, 10 push-ups, modified on your knees. If you can do the military push-ups, kudos to you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, 10 push-ups, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn over. Chest press. 2 dumbbells. Holding them close over your chest. Straight up in the air. Today's upper body strength. And it can't be strength if you don't feel it, you will struggle. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. That's round 1. 10 push-ups, 10 chest press. So the first tool you need in your toolbox, you just practice it, you don't even know. You get saying a little heavier here, so look. I want to say a little heavier there, so for the chest press. Because you're working on saying, you know. So the first tool you need in your toolbox is self-awareness. You see, just now when you realize, boy, you can't get these push-ups do, you just practice self-awareness. You just recognize that you're unable to do military push-ups, so you have to do the modified version. You just realize that being on your knees doing push-ups is a little challenging, so I can't do them on my knees, I gotta do them standing. That's the first tool that's critical if you want to move from survival to thrival. Ready again. Ready again, come. In 3, in 2, 1, push-ups, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chest press, come. Come on. And see, the thing is with self-awareness. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9, 10. Round number 2. It's all our reverse counting. 7, 8, 7. Hey. So what you gonna do on a consistent basis if you want to become self-aware, if you want to improve anything, any area of your life. That's the beginning, self-awareness. You have to know exactly where you are. So it means daily you have to audit. You have to do an internal audit. Yep. And I think that's the part that's beat most people. Looking at yourself. You see when COVID came and you had to stand home? That's what really kick people butt, you know. Turn the camera here a little more. That's what really kick people butt. Because now you were faced with yourself. You were faced with yourself again, saying a little heavier, man. I'm working on saying. And you ain't had no choice but to see the truth about yourself. And then they're wrong with saying the truth. Because when you see the truth, it puts you in a power position to get better. But if you don't want to get better, don't do no self-audit. Ready again, come. In 3, 2, 1, push-ups, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come, we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. If you're struggling good, I need for you to struggle. Because after the struggle comes strength. In 3, 2, 1. Chest press, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Round number 3. We done with that. After the struggle comes strife. But the only way for you to know where you are on that struggle bus is by taking an analytical look at yourself. If you want to improve your health, wealth, relationships, you gotta do an audit. You gotta look at yourself, and you gotta look at yourself consistently. And you don't only want to look, but you want to take corrective measures. A great way to do a self-audit is by writing things down in a book. Me rest them there, you think I can come back with them again. Journaling. That's what they call it. It's called journaling. You can call it whatever you want. We got bent rows. Bent rows. Alright, I want the palms facing forward though. Alright, palms facing forward like that. Putting the dumbbells towards your hip. Squeezing back muscles. We don't want a big box in here. We don't want a big box. Don't let you come and say, Mom, you back big. That new thing at school, you know. Hey, big back. Ready. Palm facing forward. In 3, 2, 1, go. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. Palm face behind you. Buck. 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Round number 1. You take a sip of a little water here real quick, boy. After you've done your self-audit, once you have that tool of self-awareness, then you can design identity-based goals. Hear what I mean. If you want to lose 20 pounds, if you want to lose 30 pounds, or you want to reduce your midsection, create an identity-based goal. You don't just look for a 20-pound weight loss. And this is what it looks like. I want to become a person, or I am becoming a person who values health, who values managing their weight, who's managing their waistline. You're creating an identity, because identities that are hitched towards behaviors last long. I'm going to sound a little heavy. I'm working on saying. I'm working on something. Bent rows. Palm facing forward. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. And there's absolutely nothing wrong We're creating a new identity. The only way you don't create a new identity is if you've done your self-audit, you're self-aware, and you're 100% sure that there's nothing about you that needs changing. That's the only way you maintain that identity. And if, here's the sidebar to that, right? If that's your stance, then you need more change than most people. If you're 100% sure that there's absolutely nothing that you need to change, then you need to change. Don't shoot me. I just the messenger. Don't shoot me here. I gave it a little heavier. That was wrong number 2. I'm working on saying, man. I'm working on something. And most men carry the stance that we don't need to change. Most men. They saying that's being ingrained in us. It's called arrogance. Ready again. Palm faces forward. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Woo! Whoa. They're heavy. But working on saying, and I hope that you are too, that you're working on improving you. That I want to stay in no survival mode. I want to move from challenge to challenge without losing enthusiasm. I want to thrive. I want to move from thrival to thrival without losing steam. Saying I've been thinking about a lot. I've been thinking about my spiritual life a lot, right? I ain't on healthy or anything, so don't take that coach like he can date. Cause we all can date. That ain't the reason why I think about my spiritual life. So you see I go to church on a regular thing now. I mean my family, bring my family along with me. My wife don't even go tell me about going to church some more. We got a rainbow press. 1 dumbbell right here, up and over. My wife don't even go tell me about going to church. I supposed to initiate the church now, man. Or the going to church. But I can tell you what initiated, right? Marcus said, Mommy and Daddy, I want to go to Sunday school. Marcus is 11. And Marcus said he want to go to Sunday school. And I said to my wife, you know, it's best for us to let him go now that he wants to go. I learned somebody. It's best for us to let him go now that he wants to go. Because a time can come, or it's possible that a time can come where he does not want to go. And I know you tell your person that can say, do what I say to do and don't do it. That's what I show every day. I work on my image, my identity. A 3, 2, 1, up and over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab 2 dumbbells now around the world. Palm facing forward. Don't at the bottom. When we come up to the top, Palm facing forward at the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. So it's Marcus, man. Marcus is the person that doing the inspiring. And the thing is with me, a family, right? All them gotta do is say it once, you know. All them gotta do is say, this is what you wanna do. And you find a way to make it happen, man. All them gotta say, Daddy, we can do this. No problem. As long as they ain't compromising my core values, and most of the times being in alignment. That's why we're a family. That was wrong number 1. Wrong number 1. Point number 3. Tool number 3, implementation intentions. You have to anticipate the obstacles and reduce the willpower. Ready again? I can explain that to you. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come, you grab the 2 dumbbells. We ain't done yet. Come. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So implementation intentions. I know that they say we want to go to church on Sunday morning. I'm a morning person. I get before everybody else. So you know what I do? I get press the clothes, make breakfast, make sure that we prepared so that we can leave on time so that he can get to church for Sunday school. And when he at church in Sunday school, we in church listening. We listening with intent, looking for something that we can learn and we can grow. Because it makes no sense you listening with a critical mind. Man, look how that woman coming with she church clothes. I don't like what that pastor say. Some boy tell me about my business. Look for something, man. There's always an area that you can grow and change. Like I said, what's for you? Take. Waiting for you? Leave. Ready again. Last of these. And then we go for the hammer curls. Hammer curls and face curls. In 3, 2, 1. Rainbow press. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come around the world, come. We ain't done yet. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Tool number 4. Habit stacking. I change it. You might real quick. I see light went off. Okay. Fierce girls. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you see, tool number 3. If it doesn't get any more practical than that, right? It just did. Now I got two clip-on mics, right? This mic that I had on just now. Implementation intentions. What you're supposed to do is anticipate obstacles, because willpower is hard to maintain. So my implementation plan is that when one might go off, I got next one there, so already ready. That's what you want to do. You're living in a gloom and doom. That's what we're talking about. You want to be prepared that when the challenge comes, you know exactly what to do. When the obstacle comes, you're going to fall on your face and say, oh, there's me. Why me? Obstacle come. This is what you got to do when the obstacles come. The obstacles always come. Ready again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fierce girls. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. That wrong number 2. Tool number 4. Stack good habits on top of good habits. And all you want to do is keep stacking. Because a point can come where you, after all of that stacking, you can look back and you say, yeah boy, I can see it working. I can see tool number 5 in place, because you know start to reframe the process and the mental aspect of achieving. That was 25 that I just used. Again, for saying a little heavier. I'm working on saying. I'm working on something. Last round. And then we go for overhead, tricep extensions, and kickbacks for the triceps. In 3, 2, 1, hammer, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come, last of these. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. I don't even think that was the weight. So success requires resilience and a realistic optimistic mindset. Resilience and a realistic mindset, man. You gotta be determined that regardless of the challenges that will come, that you're going to be, because I got tools. This morning early, I had to go in my toolbox because I realized that at home the bathroom sink was clogging up and the plumber, but I got tools that I could go in, I could do what I gotta do and clear the drain. We got overhead extension. Oh Lord, I can barely get my hand up over my head. It's right here, look. 1 dumbbell, up and down, right there, look. And then we can get 2 and kick back. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get the 2 dumbbells. Get 2. Bend over. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. I'm no plumber, but because I have tools and I'm equipped with knowledge of exactly what to do when the drain gets clogged, when the obstacle comes, when something is in the drain stopping the water, the thing that was in the drain is the obstacle. The water is supposed to pass through freely. If you do not have the tools or you know how to clear your drain, when the water is supposed to pass through freely, then you gotta pay somebody or you gotta find somebody with a solution. And if them don't know how, they could probably give you a solution that don't work. So is it your best interest not to know everything, but to have some kind of idea? And information, there's an information era, you know. If you didn't know, information is being shared for free. Some you gotta pay for, some for free. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they don't even call it being free. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. It's not even free. What we think is free on YouTube is considered community service content. The lighting ain't free. The internet ain't free. Getting the information ain't free. Producing the information ain't free. By doing it because it's my way to give back to the community. We got one more of these. One more row. So you got stuff that you can give away as community service content too. But coach, I don't like talking. You don't gotta talk right. I don't like video. You can record without your face. Ready again, come. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come. Hit back in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put them down. Put them down. But here we're going on though. Don't think that because we finish school early, that we're gonna get let out and go and mark up on a school shirt. That ain't working. We got to run in place till 6 o'clock. All of that, they ain't running tomorrow. We're gonna run now. All of that, they ain't running tomorrow, running now. Stop. Ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Straight at 6 o'clock. A 5-minute 1K. That's what it says. Anybody ask you if you ever run long distance? Tell them yeah. Tell them you do long run with coaches, man. And they ask you what's your fastest 1K? Tell them 5 minutes, 30 seconds. There's it here, look. And number 6, tool number 6 that you need to make sure that you have in your toolbox is support and accountability structures. If you want to be successful, long-term change doesn't happen in isolation. Most of the times when people are going through a struggle, we withdraw because we think that we're the only body. No, you're not. We don't want to share our story because we don't think that people can relate. There got people out there waiting for you. Yes, you. Don't look at me like that. Even with your camera off, I'm talking to you. There are people out there waiting for you to come and tell your story, to share what you're doing to overcome. Hear what I said? To overcome, not to have overcame. To overcome. That you are still in the process of overcoming them. That's what people out there are waiting for. A minister messaged me yesterday, and she said, look, here's my message I preach at Mother's Day. If you're interested, take a listen. And I took a listen to it, and I know her story. Shared a powerful message. I tell her it was a great message, but I was listening. I was listening for you to share your story. She said I choose not to because I didn't want it to be about me. And I understand that thought process. But if you want people to connect, people gonna see you as who you are. Not everybody. You don't want to share your story with Tom, Dick, Harry, and the dog. You want to share your story with the people that matters. The people that need the story, and you don't know who need the story. You don't know who need it. But your situation, it wasn't created in a vacuum. It wasn't created so that you could pull back, hide, put on nails, lashes, 22-inch rims, and pretend that you got it all together. Every single person have a story that's unique to them. Same way that your eye or your fingerprint is unique to you, that can let you enter a door or a pathway. Your story is unique to you. But the process of overcoming, what you're doing to thrive, to move from survival to thrival, is there for you to share with people to help them too. That's why you want to be a speaker, you know. I don't want to be a speaker because I think that I'm adequate to speak. Actually, I think I'm the worst. Well, no, let me say the worst. I think that I'm awful at speaking. But I don't want to speak to just to become a speaker. I want to speak because I know that there are people that my purpose is aligned with helping people who have been and going through the same struggle as me. We got 30 seconds left, come. We almost there, man. For the people that don't like running, when I just run for 5 minutes, 30 seconds, when the first one here. When the first one here, I hope you rain to stop. Because tomorrow you won't run another 21. Come. 15 seconds left. I mean, Lord, I'm vexed if you rain fall either. Now I make a lay down on my wife. Just saying. Do you? But just saying. Come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Well done, team. One across the chest, and put on the elbow. And those are the tools that you need to make sure that you have in your toolbox if you want to move from survival to thrival. Self-awareness, identity-based goals. Next across the chest, implementation intentions, habit stacking, reforming, and mental contrasting, and having a support and accountability structures. Interlace the fingers, pressing straight forward. Those are the tools that you need to make sure you have in your toolbox, so that in the event that your drain happens to get clogged and you know absolutely nothing about plumbing, that you could dig down in your toolbox, interlace the fingers behind your back, push your shoulders on, push your chest forward. You can dig down in your toolbox and you can take out the right tool and apply it to the situation. That's the reason, that's why it's important to have tools in your toolbox. Congratulations to you, team. You just completed today's workout. For those of you that go follow along, go follow along. Yo!